With a Get Clean starter kit, you can get every nook and cranny spick and span. And do it right with products that are safe, especially around little ones. If the cleaning products you currently use contain bleach, ammonia, or fumes you can't stand, you can replace them all with a Get Clean starter kit. In the kitchen, in the laundry room, and all over the house. Green for the planet and smart for your wallet. And these powerful, super concentrated Get Clean products really work. They rival or outperform 20 national brands. It would take more than 5,000 bottles of Windex to equal the cleaning power in just one bottle of basic H2. But this super concentrated superhero does so much more than Windows. With your kit, you can make 3 different strengths of our no rinse, no residue formula, ready to remove dirt, grease, and grime all over your house. Safe to use on everything, around everyone. Basic H2 is made from natural, sustainably sourced ingredients. With no phosphates, dyes, toxins, toxic fumes, hazardous chemicals, fragrances, or chlorine. So let's clean house. For every conventional cleaner full of chemicals that you currently own, Get Clean has a safe, powerful, green solution that's also smart for your wallet. Guaranteed, or your money back. That's the Shaklee difference.